Alright guys, it's the beginning of winter and Sexy Annie's gonna do an experiment whether the pool is frozen. Whoa. Nice. There's a thin layer of ice. Hit it strong, Annie, hit it strong. It's heavy, isn't it? Even such thin layer of ice is very, very heavy. So you can see we did not cover the pool yet. It's all green now. It's not clean. The filter is off. There is no chlorine. Oh, there is a nice panel of ice. Sexy Annie's gonna pick up. It's just like glass. Let me see it. Oh, like a window. And about the thickness of glass. So about well, maybe 1/3 of a centimeter. Nice. All right. Wave goodbye.